Kiama kia rigitani aria mathimaga andu mathibitari-ini Kenya National Union of Medical Laboratory Officer nigikireire nganja mutaratara uria utanyitwo gutwarwo bunge-ini ni murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Murang'a Sabina Chege. Kiama giki kiugite mutaratara uyu uria urongoreirie wendia wa thakame wahota kuhotomia uthimi wa thakame iria andu maheana no cungiririe kuregera hari mirimu iria mundu angigwatwo ni kuheo kana gwikirwo thakame ina mirimu ta mukingo na hepatitis B gatagati ka mirimu ingi.
So HIV is one, TB is another one, H. pylori, which is very rampant even in Nairobi here.
Ikuringana na kiama giki mutaratara no urongoreirie guthamia uthimi wa thakame kuma kuri ataramu a laboratory na gutigira wira uyu thurimi mirimu na ataramu a dawa makiuga ki mutugo na mirutire ya wira wa thibitari wira uyu ungihokerwo tu ataramu a laboratory.
And the person in herein supposed to be does not have qualifications of laboratory. What technical advice will he give to the staffs, which consists of 97%? So actually, what I'm saying is that this bill does not have laboratory inside it. So inclusion of laboratory is what is important with us. We are not objecting the bill, but it must capture laboratory.
Maugite mutaratara uyu utongoretio ni andu eyendi na marenda kwiguna o ene handu ha kurongoreria ugima mwega wa mwiri wa muingi. Oho ni maugite ati wagi wa indo nginyaniru cia kuigana hari guthima andu mathibitari-ini ni gutumite andu aingi makorwo makirigitwo mirimu matari nayo amu ithimi iria iratumika imwe ciacio ti nginyaniru.
Poor quality of testing facilitated by poor Ministry of Health policies and legislation by the National Assembly.
Imagine you being a HIV negative person and you're being given ARVs to take for the rest of your life. It's damaging all round. And those are the things that we want to try and cut out to ensure that we ensure our people, Kenyans, are still living with a good life and healthy life.
Riu kiama giki ni kihinyiriirie thirikari guthingatithia watho hari uthimi wa mirimu na wira uyu wagirirwo ni kurutwo ni ataramu aria mehokeirwo maundu ta maya makihuthira machini iria ciagiriire. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.